Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and my first YouTube tutorial. My name is Agata, I'm an illustrator and colorist, and in this video I'm going to show you how I have created this pastel-like background without actually using pastels. Are you ready to find it out? You will need your colored pencils, a piece of sandpaper, and a paper tissue. Just rub your pencil to the sandpaper like this. Make sure you also rotate your pencil while doing this, so that as a result you also get a sharp pencil. For our experiment, we are mostly interested in the pigmented dust that is created. Repeat this with all the colors you are willing to use for your pastel background. I want to create a gradient from dark green to blue, through light green and turquoise. And here they are, the beautiful pigmented dust and the sharp pencils. Then take the paper tissue and wrap it around your finger like this. Now let's create some magic. Pick up some of the pigmented dust with your paper tissue finger and spread it on your paper with circular motions, just like you would apply some moisturizer to your skin. Make sure you fade out the color so you will be able to create a smooth gradient. Take your time doing this. Then take the next color and repeat. If you feel that the color is not saturated enough, you can add a second layer of pigment or a third layer until you are happy with the result. And here is a close-up so you can see it better. If you use up all your magical dust and you still feel that you need more color, more saturation, simply create some more pigmented dust. And yes, after a while the paper tissue starts to disintegrate, but still working. If not, find a new unused spot on it and rewrap your finger. And here it is. And this is my fairy coloring with the pastel-like background that I have created with the same method I just showed you. So, if you have no pastels, from now on you can still create a flawless pastel-like background. Here you can see the process of coloring my magical fairies background. I applied multiple layers of pigment on it until I get the desired result, but I think it was worth it. It is still a faster method than coloring it traditionally with colored pencils. When using this method though, you can hardly go into details, so you might not manage to cover your background close to another shape, like here, the fairy's wavy hair. So I have colored that with pencils, using a very light pressure, and I worked on it until I reached the same intensity as my background was, so that you cannot tell the difference between the smudging and the traditional coloring. So, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find it useful somehow. Let me know what your thoughts are about this. Also, let me know if there is a specific topic in coloring that you are interested in, so maybe I could help you with that. You can find me on Instagram at Agotapop for color inspiration and at Agotapop Illustration for ink illustrations and coloring pages. By the way, the Magical Fairy is a coloring page I have created and it is available, at least at this moment, on my Etsy shop. Find the link in the description. Also, if you like this video, I would appreciate so much if you would give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe for future videos about coloring and maybe drawing tutorials in the future. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Until then, happy coloring!